the 2023 election will require a great amount of funding. Are you challenged in any way, given the fact that you have volunteers and funding?
You know, if you read what I've said about the issue of structure, you know, I've said that what we are trying to dismantle is the structure that have created poverty. So don't go there again. The structure, the volunteer are people who wants to take back their country and free from oppression, free from producing more poverty. The only thing we have made a success of is throwing people into poverty. It's bringing suffering upon Nigerians. It's making Nigerians unhealthy. That is what we want to reverse. And it will be driven by all of you here. If you don't, remember, it's about your children. It's about you. The society we are building today will take its revenge on all of us tomorrow. Thank you.